A storm is brewing in the world of high-performance innovation, and it's coming from an unexpected corner. While major automakers rush headfirst into the electric future, one bold Swedish manufacturer is quietly cooking up something radically different and downright electrifying. Deep inside Koenigsegg's secretive workshop, the company's visionary founder isn't just building another lightning-fast hypercar. He's engineering a powertrain so unorthodox, so disruptive, it could flip the electric revolution on its head. What kind of engine dares to challenge the future that everyone assumed was a done deal? What groundbreaking tech lies beneath its sleek carbon fiber bodywork? And why is Christian von Koenigsegg so confident that this machine will outclass the biggest EV players on their own turf? Make no mistake, something game-changing is on the horizon, but it's probably not what you're expecting. Christian von Koenigsegg isn't your typical CEO. He's a boundary-breaking inventor whose passion fuels every inch of the Koenigsegg brand. With no formal engineering degree to his name, Christian relied on raw curiosity and a relentless drive to transform childhood dreams into world-class machines. While most executives stay in boardrooms, Christian's at the workbench, sketching ideas, running tests, and helping build every car from the inside out. His obsession isn't just with going fast, it's about reinventing the very way speed is made. His mission? Outsmart the giants of the industry, not by outspending them, but by daring to think differently. His involvement in the development of free valve technology illustrates this mindset. This seamless engine architecture, which allows individual valve control via actuators, reimagines how engines breathe and perform. Rather than improving upon existing valve timing systems, Christian sought to remove the camshaft entirely, a foundational component in internal combustion engines for over a century. By doing so, he unlocked gains in efficiency, performance, and emissions control that were previously thought impossible. The application of free valve in the TFG engine is a testament to Christian's belief in reinventing from first principles. It's the same kind of thinking that inspired the Koenigsegg direct drive in the Regera, eliminating the need for a multi-speed. Christian understood electric motors give you torque immediately, and he's got to have an internal combustion engine that's going to feel exactly the same. Seamless. This is achieved by attaching the internal combustion engine to the right gear with the help of electric motors filling in torque gaps all across the rev range. Most recently, Koenigsegg brought out the 6-phase dark matter electric motor, a little device which packs the punch of 800 horsepower, throwing electric propulsion beyond what is already considered the industry's normal tag and driving deeper into the future of the company. Though a believer in engineering, Christian does advocate sustainability at the core of his long-term vision. He would not be advocating for total abandonment of combustion. He promotes synthetic e-fuels and modular hybrid systems that would reduce emissions while still not jeopardizing the enthralling experience. His latest creation using combustion technology that will come out of his factory in 2025 will use CO2 neutral fuels and will outshine traditional engines in power-to-weight ratio. Another characteristic of Christian is his radical yet pragmatic interpretation. The two attitudes exist rarely together in the car world. What he leaves behind is not simply horsepower, it is also speed, without forgetting that future performance can come in innovative, clean, and emotionally thrilling ways. But while Christian von Koenigsegg builds some of the world's most powerful hypercars, his true passion might just surprise you. In a world where hypercar makers often drive their own multi-million-dollar creations, Christian von Koenigsegg's choice of daily driver is refreshingly unconventional. Koenigsegg's ethos focused on pushing mechanical and technological boundaries. Its earliest cars were built not to impress with reputation, but to astonish with performance and forward-thinking design. Central to its identity was the use of lightweight carbon fiber construction, bespoke powertrains, and the integration of technologies that hadn't been attempted in mainstream automotive manufacturing. The debut of the Agera in 2010 solidified Koenigsegg's place in automotive history. The car's in-house 5.0-liter, twin-turbocharged V8 was a feat of precision engineering, especially in its 1-to-1 configuration, which famously achieved a perfect 1-to-1 power-to-weight ratio. This wasn't just a marketing gimmick, it represented an engineering milestone. The Agera RS took this formula even further, setting a world record with a top speed average of 277.9 miles per hour. But more than just raw numbers, the Agera showcased Koenigsegg's ability to surpass long-established manufacturers in real-world performance. Despite being a relatively small and independent company, the facts verified the transformation introduced by the Agera series into aspects previously associated with supercar functionality. To Koenigsegg, building fast cars without engineering to lighter, smarter, and more adaptable solutions. The synonymity of the dihedral synchro helix doors is not just stylistic. They solve more spatial and access problems. It gives brilliant aerodynamics for the Agera R's spring-loaded adaptive rear wing without much of expensive hydraulic systems. The other Koenigsegg classics are carbon fiber wheels and personal braking systems designed to ensure each piece is not only the fastest, but also the most controlled, accurate, and usable under the most extreme conditions. Koenigsegg's kind of legacy doesn't just include performance benchmarks, but also the insistence on in-house production, and that does not exclude the additional emphasis it has on innovation. Where other manufacturers source components from suppliers, Koenigsegg engineers its own, from transmissions to entire powertrains. This level of vertical integration allows unmatched quality control and technological experimentation. After all, it proves that with enough vision and engineering rigor, even a boutique car maker from Sweden can rival and often surpass the biggest names in the hypercar industry. It is clear in the evolving course of Koenigsegg that its engineering philosophy has developed a hypercar culture, with some inspiring other automakers to rethink their limits. Commonly heard in the industry is how Koenigsegg's direct drive system in the Regera and free valve technology in fact sparked discussions within the automotive circles on the future of transmissions and valve control systems. If we just did what everyone else did, then Koenigsegg would have no reason to exist, says Christian von Koenigsegg. Such uncompromising build has set new standards in the industry, not only in speed records but also in redefining the bounds of what is technically possible. It is no coincidence that Rimac, followed by even the likes of Toyota, are looking into more extreme hybrid systems and lightweight materials. Not to say much of what Koenigsegg opened the way for. And that's just the beginning of what Koenigsegg has in store for the future of performance cars. What do you think? Is this the engine that will leave electric cars in the dust? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more mind-blowing car content, and turn on the bell so you won't miss what's coming next.